discuss about different kinds of expressions. Part 2. Embarrassed. Embarrassed. Sad. Sad. Angry. Angry. Cool and relaxed. Cool and relaxed. Tired. Tired. Kissing. Kissing. Sick. Sick. Parting. Parting. And lastly, disgusted. Disgusted. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you will be able to describe so many different kinds of expressions in English. Also, to learn the names of more expressions, be sure to check out the first part of this series. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.